in the past 1 week, there were several cases all of a sudden reported of injured cows in the area of from Bambolim, Taleigao, Donapola. That's the roads which connect all these three areas. Generally in a month you can say there are 4-5 injured cows always picked up from these areas. But then there was a sudden shot in the number of injured cases in last 1 week. Apart from the normal usual injuries which are due to the road accidents, this was a sudden, and the injuries were of a different kind. It looked like they were intentionally stabbed. The kind of injuries in the bodies of each of these animals. A lot of residents, many residents from those areas of Donapola, Bambolim, Taleigaon, they said it's someone who's doing it, and they had made police complaints also. I think 2 of them had made a police complaint regarding this matter, and so they needed a help to rescue these cows. We have a treatment shelter for cows in South Goa, in Betul. So we sent a cow ambulance from there to this area, and after 3-4 days of attempts, we were able to almost of the 6 injured cows so far. And these cows which we have already picked up, they are under treatment in our Gaushala and are recovering well.